Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another Twisted Reaction here. We get ourselves on deck. A group that I have done before at the very beginning of this channel itself. It's a K-pop group and it's from station NCTLAB, NCTU, and their new song looks like Rain Day. Came out July 19, 2022. Currently at the moment has over 1.3 million views. Like you guys know that I did NCTLAB before with, I think it was with Mark before, and it was like Child, and then there was like one with like NCTU, and then I think it was like Let's Play Ball, Universe Let's Play, something like that. Let's Play Ball. And then I think I had another one with like NCT Dream and just a lot of NCT stuff. I did a couple of NCT reactions here. So this is a new one that I'm going to be reacting to, which just came out. Not sure what to expect here. Looks like it's going to be a happy song itself. Probably something where it's going to be like, I have a feeling it's going to be a contrast between Rain Day, but then, you know, I guess like, you know, you have your friends coming along. That's what I'm forecasting and foreshadowing right now. So I don't know exactly. I have not seen this yet. I haven't seen any trailers. So this is going to be a total shock here. First time looking at this. So let's get to it. But before we get down to it, hit that subscribe button down below and then hit that bell notification to alert all my new videos. I publish my videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays and sometimes on the weekends as well. All right, we got that out of the way. Let's get down to station NCTLAB's NCTU Rain Day. Okay, nice and chill. Okay.
Take me to the place, back to our days, where we had space and a little more time, yeah.
Oh.
But we should never change, and no time to waste, spending no hours dreaming of you.
Okay, she's chilling.
Like the rain falling down for you and I. All these memories in my mind, I can't help but fantasize. I don't wanna feel it pouring down on me.
So I'm just wondering if this is all gonna be English or there's gonna be some Korean involved as well. So I'm not entirely sure. All right. So this is actually kind of cool. This is actually a very chill, song from the sounds of it. And I have a feeling it's gonna build up to something. And I have a feeling that they're gonna have a dance routine. Most likely it's gonna have a dance routine. I just don't know how explicit or how, you know, how complex it's gonna be. So yeah, this is actually a really, really nice, subtle song itself. I like it. I like it a lot. So, you know what? Let's run it back and let's keep moving. Let's push it on forward, okay?
Spending no hours dreaming of you. Like the rain falling down for you and I. All these memories in my mind, I can't help but fantasize. I don't wanna feel it pouring down on me now. I realize every moment that we've had was a blessing in disguise.
Such a cute corgi.
You made everything feel new, yeah. And I owe it all to you, babe. Take me to that place. Put it down, let it go, feel the love. All the voices singing out in the radio. We better turn it up for a minute, oh yeah. Falling down all night, driving down your way tonight. I don't care about a night. Baby, you should realize I'm gonna be there whenever you're needing me always. Down all night, I'm not waiting you 'cause I'm needing you right in my eyes. Yeah. On a rainy day, I got you, baby. Girl, make me better. The way you got me higher. When the rain starts, you end up on my mind. I don't wanna be missing you every day and night, losing my sleep. I won't let you go. There ain't no other way to tell you how I feel.
Okay.
How big or small. can feel the drip drop, we're falling like a rain show. Listen up so I can be the one to, yeah, show you how to love. Falling down all night, driving down your way tonight. I don't care about a night. Baby, you should realize I'ma be there whenever you like, for you always. Down all night, on my way to you, 'cause I'm meeting you right in my eyes. The rain got me thinking about the days we've had. I need to know, baby. Take me back to you, just take me back to you. When it rains, I'll be waiting for the sound of the night. Take me back to you, when rain is falling down all the time. Every time we go, falling down all night.
All right, so that was Station NCTLAB, NCTU, and Rain Day, and that was a very chilling song that is definitely something I would listen to chill with, say, a glass of wine out in the back porch on a nice sunset, and yeah, I mean, it's definitely got that vibe of a lounge music. It's just kind of a loungy type of music that that's just relaxing, right? I was wrong. Well, I guess I was right about the rain part, but I thought it was like, missing rain, and then, I mean, definitely what they were singing about was definitely, remembering about that special someone, and when the rain falls, I want to be with you, I want to spend time with you, throughout the 9 days here and there, and such and so on. So definitely has that kind of vibe of, hey, on rainy days, doesn't matter, I still want to be happy, I still want to spend time with you, and still want to chill and hang out. That's it, right? And that's what it comes to. So with this one, NCTU, with these guys, thumbs up from me for sure. And if you are new to the channel itself, what I'll do is I'll post the link down in the description down below for you guys, so that you guys can watch the whole music video it's in its whole entirety without me pausing, interrupting, or having my face right here. Alright guys, we come to the end of the video reaction itself. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button down below, and then once you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification to be alerted of all my new videos. Post every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes on the weekends as well. Alright, as always, take care, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Peace.